What's the meaning of Ashkenazi? Ashkenazi. Ashkenazi.
Ashkenazi. Ashkenazi. The term Ashkenazi refers to Jews of Central and Eastern European origin, typically characterized by distinctive cultural practices, traditions, and languages. Historically, Ashkenazi Jews have faced unique challenges and discrimination, including persecution during the Holocaust and restrictions on their freedoms and mobility in various countries throughout history. Despite these challenges, Ashkenazi Jews have also made significant contributions to various fields, including business, science, art, and literature, and continue to play an important role in Jewish and global culture today.